In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Cloud Storage securely and effectively. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, granting access across different projects, or making files public, understanding how to manage permissions in Google Cloud Storage is crucial. We'll focus specifically on using identity and access management, access control lists, and signed URLs. Let's dive in without any further ado. Firstly, we'll explore sharing Google Cloud Storage buckets using Identity and Access Management, or IAM. This is the recommended approach due to its security and scalability. It allows you to grant specific access to users, groups, or service accounts right at the bucket level, which provides both flexibility and security. To begin, navigate to the Cloud Console and open Cloud Storage. Here, you'll find an overview section where you can see all your buckets. It's vital to select the correct bucket to which you want to grant access. Once you've chosen your bucket, click on the Permissions tab. This is where you can manage who has access to your bucket. Next, you'll see an option to Add Member. This is a crucial step because it allows you to define who should have access to your bucket. Here, enter the email address of the user or a Google group that you would like to add. Take care with this step, as entering the correct email is essential to ensure the right individuals receive access. After entering the appropriate email, you will need to assign a role that corresponds to the level of access they need. There are a few common roles that are useful depending on your needs. For instance, the Storage Object Viewer role grants read-only access to users, meaning they can view objects but not alter them. This is ideal if you merely need to share files for download. Should your needs be a bit different, consider the Storage Object Admin role, which allows writing, reading, and deleting object capabilities. This can be particularly beneficial if you want the user to have a more comprehensive level of control over their files. Lastly, if you anticipate needing full administrative control over the storage bucket, including the ability to manage permissions, the Storage Admin role provides this extensive level of access. This IAM method is not only the most secure way to share access to your Google Cloud Storage buckets, but it is also incredibly scalable. It's adaptable across various projects or even entire organizations, making it a versatile tool for different scenarios. The ability to manage complex access requirements easily and securely is what makes IAM such a powerful feature within Google Cloud. That wraps up our guide on securely sharing Google Cloud Storage with IAM. In our next sections, we'll cover using access control lists and signed URLs for more nuanced scenarios to ensure all your Google Cloud sharing needs are met. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video tutorial.